In this video, I'll be showing you how to perform an oil change on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located under the hood and underneath the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to make our way under the hood and locate our engine, our oil filler cap, and our dipstick. Remove the oil filler cap by turning it counterclockwise. Once it's removed, I like to set it on the hood latch. Also pull your dipstick up. This is to increase the flow of the oil while we're draining it. We're going to make our way under the vehicle after we've safely raised and supported it and locate our oil pan. Quick note, there's supposed to be a splash shield in this whole area, so if yours is present, now's the time to remove it. On the oil pan, we're going to locate our drain plug, which is a 15 millimeter. Break it free and remove it. Have your collection bucket ready as well. So ensure it's loose and get your bucket in place. And remove it. And let it drain out. We're going to take our drain plug and remove our original washer. Take an angled pick and pry it off. Dispose of it properly. Install your new washer, just slide it over. Hand thread it on into the oil pan. We are going to torque this down to 26 foot-pounds. Clean the area with some brake cleaner and a clean rag. In front of the oil pan, I'm going to locate our oil filter. I'll be using an oil filter wrench to remove it. I'll be using this style, but there are other styles available. So take hold of it and turn counterclockwise. Adjust your drain bucket so it's under the filter and twist it off. Let it drain. And place it in your drain bucket. We're going to take our oil filter, fill it up with oil, and lubricate our seal. So take some brand new manufacturer approved oil and fill it up. Take some of the oil and run it across the seal. And now let's go ahead and install it. I'm going to hand thread it on and snug it down. Once it's starting to get tight, you could use a rag for more grip. Once it's snug, we are going to go a quarter turn. Okay, that looks good. Now clean the area with some brake cleaner and a clean rag. And wipe it dry. That looks good. If your splash shield is still present in your vehicle, now's the time to reinstall it. We're going to install our funnel into the oil fill and install 5.7 quarts of 5W20 engine oil. Remove your funnel, reinstall your dipstick, and your oil filler cap. And that completes our install. Go in the vehicle and run the engine for about a minute, check your oil level, and take the vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.